Amazon's been hiding some seriously insane tools, and today we're exposing all of them. From gadgets that laugh at hard labor to tools that make DIY dummy-proof, buckle up. Your toolbox is about to get a major glow-up. Let's dive in. Tired of carrying 5 tools for one cut? Meet the Britton Square, Rafter Square, Level, Protractor, Plumb Bob, and Saw Guide in one tool. Aluminum tough 21-angle presets, 0 learning curve. Your toolbox just got less crowded, and your back just thanked you. Britton Square, measure twice, brag once. Plaster, paint, wallpaper. The EPF 200 doesn't care. It eats them all. 3 grinding discs, 1,500 watts of pure muscle, adjustable depth to 5 millimeters. Renovation nightmares? Gone in seconds. This isn't just a tool, it's a demolition diet plan for your walls. EIBENSTOCK EPF 200. Surfaces don't stand a chance. Scrubbing your deck by hand? That's so last season. Meet the Wagner Levaro Powerbrush. It floats like a hovercraft, sprays cleaner, and scrubs dirt into surrender. Cordless, comfy grip, Bosch battery power. Your patio's about to look better than your Instagram feed. Levaro Powerbrush. Clean without the elbow grease. Need light and a phone charger? The Coast Clamp Lite does both. Clamps anywhere, rotates 360 degrees, blasts 3,900 lumens, and doubles as a power bank. Dual power keeps you running non-stop. Coast Rechargeable Clamp Lite, lighting up your world, literally and figuratively. Masonry got you stressed? Let's set that anchor straight, literally. The Greenlee Anchor Expander locks screw anchors into place fast. No drama, no wobble. Hardened alloy steel means this thing means business. Concrete's tough, but this tool's tougher. Greenlee Anchor Expander, because loose anchors are so last century. Scissors giving you hand cramps? Say hello to the reliable cloth cutting machine. Slicing through fabric, foam, even carpet like butter. Cordless, 2.5 hours of runtime, 5-speed settings. It's basically a lightsaber for your sewing room. Reliable cloth cutting machine. Cutting corners has never been this cool. Why choose between a tape measure and a laser when you can have both? The SOLA METEC does short and long distances, indoors or out. No math, no guessing, no drama. Bluetooth connected, glow-in-the-dark readable. It's basically a measuring genius in your pocket. SOLA METEC. Measure smarter, not harder. Rough wood? Not for long. The TOLSEN sheet. Sander sands smooth, fast, and hassle-free. Swap grits in seconds with easy clamp mounting. 13,000 orbits per minute means it's working harder than your gym membership. ETL approved, 0 regrets. TOLSEN sheet sander. Sanding down problems, one pass at a time. Leaks are sneaky. They hide in silence. Ultrasonic silence. The Amprobe ULD-405 hears what you can't, turning invisible leaks into loud, obvious targets. LCD bar graph, noise filtering, headphone tracking. It's basically a leak's worst nightmare. Amprobe ULD-405. Because leaks can run, but they can't hide. Bending over your tool cart all day? Not anymore. The Klein MODbox cart stands tall at 36 inches. Comfy height, heavy-duty wheels, brakes included. Customize it with MODbox pouches and never lose a screwdriver again. Klein MODbox utility cart. Because your back deserves better than the ground. Stubborn nails think they're winning? Think again. The Apex indexing nail puller rips out even flush, hard-to-grip nails like it's nothing. Forged alloy, 19-inch muscle, black enamel toughness. This tool doesn't ask nicely. Apex nail puller. Nails. 0 U. Victorious. Tangled cords are basically modern-day spaghetti, messy and annoying. The Link 2 home power handle fixes that with a tidy reel, 4 outlets, 2 USB ports, and 20 feet of power. Built-in circuit breaker keeps things safe. Link to home power handle, untangle your life, one cord at a time. Wire mesh, mattresses, gabion cages. The Meite hog ring gun snaps them shut like it's nothing. Updated trigger, steel jaws, galvanized rings for serious durability. It's basically a stapler that hit the gym. Meite hog ring gun, ringing in the fastest fasten of your life. Need to clamp and spread? The Crescent Connect. Hand clamp does both. 500 pounds of grip, pipe teeth for zero twisting, and 360-degree rotation for wherever you need it. Snap two together and get modular magic. Crescent Connect hand clamp. Clamping just got a serious upgrade. Working in the dark like a bat? Not anymore. The Klein MODbox area light stands, hangs, hooks, or mags itself anywhere. Up to 21 hours of runtime. 360-degree rotation means no more awkward angles. Klein MODbox area light. Shining bright so you don't work blind. Broken roof slate ruining your day? The Sealey Slater's ripper slides right under those nail heads and rips the problem away. Hardened steel, ergonomic handle, zero fuss. It's like a magic wand for roofers, minus the magic plus real muscle. Sealey Slater's ripper. Slating problems solved. Leaves, dust, pollen, the sun. Joe Stormjet doesn't negotiate. It blows them away. Cordless, 20-volt power, ready for yard, garage, car, you name it. Storm's coming for your mess. Sun Joe Stormjet Turbo Blower, because raking is so last decade, and your yard deserves better. Loud job site, but you still want your playlist? The Klein Bluetooth earmuffs block noise and blast tunes. 25 decibel protection, comfy foam cushions, pivots around your neck for easy access. Best of both worlds. Klein Bluetooth earmuffs. Protect your ears, save your vibe. Clogged drains hiding grease and hair like it's a crime scene? The FlexShaft drain cleaning machine sends chain knockers wall-to-wall to blast it out. 30 feet of cleaning power, less mess, powered by your own cordless drill. FlexShaft drain cleaning machine, because plungers are strictly for amateurs now. Sealing 50 boxes by hand? The Meite Carton stapler makes it fast, no air compressor needed. Adjustable depth, 100 staple magazine, built-in staple puller for mistakes. From mailers to moving boxes, this thing seals like a champ. Meite Carton stapler. Packing day just got way less painful. That's a wrap on today's insane tool lineup. Which one's going straight to your cart? Drop it in the comments and smash that subscribe button, because your toolbox glow-up is just getting started. See you in the next one.